Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalena and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make these delicious cookies. Have you ever tried the cookies from Subway, the chocolate chip cookie? If you did and you thought that's amazing, well, try this recipe that I'm gonna show you because these cookies are amazing. I love them. They're not healthy at all because it needs a lot of sugar, but they are so freaking good. You could just make them and eat 1 or 2 a day if you can control yourself. I can't, so that's why I don't make them that often. I know it's something different for my channel, but I really love these cookies and I wanted to share the recipe with you. Let's get cooking! Hello again. So, for this recipe you need everything that you see here. Now, good luck and see you next time! Just joking guys. You need white sugar, brown sugar, flour, 2 eggs, butter, and try not to get dirty like me. 2 bags of pure chocolate chips and optional vanilla extract and sugar. And almost forgot, baking powder. Prepare your kitchen robot if you have one. Open the messy drawer to find your scale, set it to 0 and let's start adding stuff. First we're gonna add the white sugar. As you can see, my measuring is not that precise, but it's not that important. Add the brown sugar, massage it a bit before so you don't drop all of it in the bowl. Great measuring again. And as if you didn't add enough sugar, we need to put some more. Add some vanilla extract. And now we have to cut the butter in small pieces until you build this butter tower and try to balance it to the bowl. After you manage that, cut some more. Open another pack of butter and cut some more until you get to an amount that is different from what I said in the beginning. Then you are ready to mix everything. When it looks like this, add the eggs and mix them again. In the meantime, take your scale again, look in your drawer of bowls, pick one and fill it with flour while you act surprised. And now if you can see yourself in the bowl, the camera in the bowl, add more flour until everything is covered. It should take this many grams. And finally add some salt and some baking powder, mix it a bit and throw everything in the other bowl. When the dough is mixed and looks like this, add the chocolate chips until you can't see the dough anymore and mix it again for a minute or 2. Take some dough, roll it between your hands, put it on the baking paper and flatten it a bit. Your bowl should look like this and it should have a diameter of 3 centimeters. Now that you know how to make it, fill your baking papers. When you're done with this, move your hands around like this, blink and they are done. I wish, but seriously now. Preheat the oven to 150-160 degrees Celsius, depends on how strong your oven is. While the first batch is chilling in the oven, prepare the rest of the cookies. After 5-6 minutes, take them out and put the next ones. As you can see, I left them too long because they shouldn't be brown on the bottom. They should look like they're not done yet. Better luck with the next batch. This is how they should look like, and you have to move them now from the hot pan to another surface so they can cool down. Now, prepare yourself for eating the cookie.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you. Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you're gonna try these cookies at home because they are amazing and I don't have words to describe them. They're just good. I just love them. So If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, leave a comment down below if you want to say something to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!